everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet these fingerless gloves. I use 4.5 millimeters hook and 4.5 millimeters yarn. This yarn suitable for 4 and 4.5 millimeters hook. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chains. Yarn over, skip this chain, go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn and repeat. Make half double crochet in each stitch. Make 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet and repeat. We made 1 half double crochet in each chain. Make a chain, turn the work, yarn over. In here make a stitch in these loops, back loops. I show in these loops. We have 2 loops in a stitch crochet from back loops. Yarn over, go to first stitch, take back loop, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Make 1 half double crochet in back loops. I made 1 half double crochet in back loops. Make a chain, turn the work, continue same as before row, go to back loops, go to back loops in every stitch. Make 1 half double crochet in each stitch and make more rows like this. Go to take back loops, make a chain, turn it and repeat. Make more rows like this. I made this row, measure this part around. You can make more rows, add more rows and make larger than this size. take 2 loops. Take 2 loops in this side, 2 loops in other side. Join 2 sides together. I join 2 sides together like this. I show. Change color, make a slip knot. Go to top of this. I show. Turn the work. Go to top of this rows. Insert your hook into top of this row. Change color. Pull up yarn. 1, 2 chains. Make 2 chains in here. Yarn over. Go to same stitch, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, make a chain. In here, go to top of this row. Pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make a chain. In here, go to top of this row, pull through 4 yarns together, make a chain, go to this row, make 1 cluster, pull through all of them, make a chain, go to top of this stitch, make cluster, make a chain, go to top of this row and continue like this. Pull through all of them, make a chain. Show. Go to top of last row, in last stitch, make cluster, make a chain, go to top of first chains, slip a stitch. I show. Change color, make a slip knot, go to any stitch, pull up yarn, make a chain, make 2 chains, yarn over. We continue from a stitch between these clusters. Pull through 2 yarns, hold this yarn, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 3 yarns, make a chain, hide this yarn under a stitch, skip this cluster, go to dissolve, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through 4 yarns together, make a chain and repeat. pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through 4 yarns, make a chain. Pull up yarn, and repeat. I make this stitch, go to top of first chains, a slip stitch. Change color, make a slip knot, and continue same as before, a stitch. Go to any stitch, make chains, make cluster, pull through, make a chain, make more rows like this. These rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. In here you can make more than this. I show in here, mark, measure this part, mark these stitches. I show like this. Mark these stitches together. Change color, make a slip knot. Go to any stitch in this side. Skip this part. I show from here. Go to any stitch, pull up yarn, 2 chains, make same as before rows, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, make a chain, go to next stitch, hide tail of yarn under stitch, pull through 4 yarns together, make a chain, make cluster, pull through all of them, make a chain, go to mark a stitch, make cluster, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through 4 yarns together, make a chain, skip this stitch, go to mark a stitch in here, yarn over, go to mark a stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make a chain, and repeat. Go to top of this stitch, a slip stitch, change color. Go to any stitch and repeat 2 chains. Make clusters. Make 1 cluster in each stitch. Repeat like this. I show in here. Make more rows. I made this stitch. Go to first chains, slip stitch. I show